Namaskaram friends. So in this video I am going to talk about BIS, Bank for International Settlement. Okay, so it serves as a bank for central banks and it provide investment, it provide money, it provide, you can say, liquidity to banks as well as help settle and manage the financial uh, financial task as well as monetary policy related issue. So this actually Bank for International Settlement, many central bank of different countries take part into it, and policy program related to monetary policy related to financial institution are built here. And based on that policy, we implement different monetary related issue, financial related issue, and business related issue in the other parts of the world. So in this video, we are going to talk about very briefly related to Bank for International Settlement, its member, what are its role, its importance, and how it can help to boost the economy of different countries and different organizations. Okay, so Bank for International Settlement (BIS). So the Bank for International Settlement is an international financial institution. BIS is an international financial institution owned by central banks that fosters international monetary and financial cooperation and serve as a bank for central banks. So BIS serve as a bank for central banks. It also fosters international monetary and financial cooperation. So two tasks. BIS foster international monetary and financial cooperation as well as serve as a bank for central banks. It is an international financial institution and it is owned by the central bank. So four important points, four very important points. Just remember it. BIS is an international financial institution owned by central bank. It fosters international monetary and financial cooperation as well as serve as a bank for central banks. The Basel Committee on Financial Supervision (BCBS), the Basel Committee on Financial Supervision on Banking Supervision, I'm sorry, is a committee of banking supervisory authority. So BCBS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervisory, is a committee of banking supervisory authority that was established by central bank governors, who are the governor of the central bank, of a group of 10 countries in 1974. So in 1974, group of 10 countries, or you can say basically governor of that country, central bank of that country, governor of the central bank of that country, make BCBS, or you can say Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, and it is a committee of banking supervisory authority. Okay, so remember what is BCBS? Banking Committee on Banking Supervisory is a committee of banking supervisory authority established by the central bank governor of the group of 10 countries in 1974. Okay, group of 10 countries, governor of that bank in 1974. BCBS Banking Committee, Basel Committee on Banking Supervisory. It is a committee of banking supervisory authorities. Okay, so this point is also important. The committee, the BCBS committee, expanded its membership in 2009 and then again in 2004. Earlier it is 10, but it's expanded its committee in its membership in 2009 as well as in 2014. So currently in 2019, BCBS has 45 members from 28 jurisdictions consisting of central banks and authorities with responsibility of banking regulation. So central banks and authority who have a responsibility of banking regulation take part into it, and in 2019 45 members of 29 jurisdictions are part of the BCBS, Basel Committee on Banking Supervisory. The committee secretariat, BCBS committee secretary, is located at the Bank for International Settlement in Basel, Switzerland. So Basel is a place in Switzerland where BIS, Bank for International Settlement, is located. So the headquarter, or you can say secretariat, committee secretariat of BCBS is located in BIS. So very important point. Through this picture you can clearly see this is a BIS. So you have to remember what is BIS, what is BCBS, what is committee. So it is a Basel Committee. BCBS basically means, just a minute, Basel Committee on Banking Supervisory. It is a committee of governor of central banks, earlier in 1974 of 10 countries, but in 2009 and in 2004 it expanded its membership, and in 2019 it currently has 45 members from 29 jurisdictions. who have the responsibility of banking supervisory, or what it is, just a minute. I think banking regulations, who have a responsibility of banking regulation. Okay, and the headquarter of BCBS is located in BIS, Bank for International Settlement. And Bank for International Settlement is basically what it is. I told you earlier, na, what it Bank for International Settlement is an international financial institution owned by central bank. It fosters international monetary and financial cooperation and serves as a bank for central bank. So International Financial Institution, BIS. BCBS is a committee. Its headquarters is located in BIS, Basel, Switzerland. Okay. So I hope you understand the whole topic related to BCBS, related to BIS, its membership, its role. Currently in 1974 when it is formed, how many members are participated into it, and in 2019 how many members are present, and in which year it expanded its membership, and which type of people are participated into it, and yeah, it's important in the economy of the world also. So I hope you understand the whole idea behind BIS, BCBS, what are its role and its importance. So now we are going to solve one question based on BIS, you can say BCBS. So consider the following statement. The Bank for International Settlement, BIS, is an international financial institution, yes. Owned by central banks, yes. That foster international monetary and financial cooperation, yes. That option is correct. Second one is Bank for International Settlement, serve as a bank for central bank, yes. The Secretariat of Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, BCBS, is located in at the Bank for International Settlement, yes. Its Secretariat of BCBS is located in the BIS. It serves as a bank for central bank, and it is an international financial corporation owned by central bank that foster international monetary and financial cooperation. All the options, all the EPS statement 1, 2, and 3 are correct. That means option D is correct. Just check we are on the right path or not. Option D is correct. That means we are on the right path. So, a very small request. Remember, BIS, BCBS. Headquarter of BCBS is in BIS, Basel, Switzerland. In 1974, BCBS is formed. In 2009 and in 2014, it expanded its membership, and in 2019, it has 45 members of 29 jurisdictions who have the responsibility of banking regulation. And BIS is a bank, international financial institution owned by central banks, and its responsibility is to foster uh, international foster international monetary and financial cooperation. So I hope you understand the whole idea behind it. So namaskaram. Thank you.